Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. What you're about to see is a wiring video for MK32A8 and X7 Plus. This video is divided into three main parts. What wiring materials are needed? How to wire it? How does the camera image appear on the remote control? Okay, demo time. What wiring materials are needed? In the video, you will see the following materials. SIYI MK32, CA8 Mini 4K 6x Zoom Camera Gimbal, Quav X7 Plus Flight Controller, Telem 1 Cable, A8 Video Transmission Cable, A8 Power Cable, X7 Plus Power Module. How to wire it? Firstly, the SIYI MK32 is introduced. Connect the Telem 1 port of the X7 Plus power module to the data transmission port of the MK32 receiver. The data transmission port of MK32 has a GH 1.25mm 4-pin connector, while the Telem 1 port of X7 has a GH 1.25mm 6-pin connector. Connect the video transmission port of MK32 receiver to the video transmission port of A8. The video transmission port of MK32 has a GH 1.25mm 9-pin connector, and the video transmission port of A8 has a GH 1.25mm 8-pin connector. Next, connect the power cable to A8. Then power up the X7 Plus using the power module. Then power up the X7 Plus using the power module. And finally power up the MK32 receiver. How does the camera image appear on the remote control? Open the MK32 remote control, then launch the SIYI FPV software. The FPV image should display correctly, and control should function normally. Copy the RTSP address of A8 from the SIYI FPV software, then open QGC ground station. Navigate to Application Settings, find Video Settings under General Settings, select RTSP Video Stream, paste the RTSP address copied from SIYI FPV. QGC will then display the A8 camera image. This version of QGC is modified by SIYI and allows direct control of A8 camera movements within the software. That concludes all the content for this video. Thank you for watching. For more information, stay tuned. See you in the next video.